What's going on, family? We're going to talk about this today. I saw this article from Business Insider talking about how Tesla, Rivian, and NIO have been hit with downgrades and EV demand slows. Like, for real. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. The EV market has shown a reduced demand in their vehicles. A lot of the EV makers who have public stock has been trending down. So, like, Business Insider dropping this title, it really doesn't mean anything. Because a lot of these stocks, Tesla, Rivian, and even NIO, when you look at their charts, look at it. This is NIO's chart right here. Okay, like we already knew that it doesn't look rosy for the shareholders of NIO stock. Here's Rivian. It doesn't look rosy for Rivian either. Like, look at Tesla. It doesn't look rosy in the market for Tesla. All of these EV stocks are trending down. What they do, but you got Business Insider telling us that these Wall Street analysts is dropping downgrades now. Make it make sense. We could have seen that just by looking at the charts for these three businesses. If stock price goes down, you might as well equate that with downgrading a stock. You don't need these Wall Street analysts to drop a note to you and say, hey, we're going to go ahead and reduce and downgrade our price targets for these stocks. You don't even need to know the reason as to why they're downgraded it. I could care less the reason. I can already see, though, somebody is not feeling good about these three businesses. And apparently to these Wall Street analysts, it's because of EV demand. Okay, cool. Let that be the reason, but fine. Because the next time that EV demand slows, these businesses could be trending up. I'm talking about the price of the stock. So don't equate certain scenarios or the opinions of these Wall Street analysts as to why they're downgrading the stock. Because the next time when they say that the EV demand is slowing down, these three businesses stocks will be going up. So this is not justification as to why price movement is happening. Is what I want you all to see and realize. Price movement only happens because of supply and demand. It is because of the power force between those willing to buy and those who are willing to sell. That is where price is going to go. If there's no buyers, which these three businesses show on the stock charts, if there's no buyers at these high price levels, where else will the market have to go then to find them? It's not going to go higher. It will have to go down. That's it. That's it. And the reason as to why you would think price is going down, they would say, oh, it's because EV demand is slowing down. No, it's because the market couldn't find any buyers at these higher levels. That's it. Don't make it complicated. This is a very simple game. Now, my reason of showing you all this article is about NIO. Okay, so we're going to do a price prediction, hopefully on NIO. But given what we have already in place, we probably don't need to change it. What do you think? We've already positioned ourselves saying that NIO was weak. I mean, here it is today. Proof. So let's go to NIO. Let's see what Mizuho had to say about NIO. Mizuho downgraded NIO from buy to neutral and lowered its price target from $15 to $5.50. Like, come on, for real? Mizuho, you guys could do better. How you gonna now lower your price target from $15? $15. The last time NIO was at $15 was right here, August 1st, 2023. It took Mizuho that long for them to finally downgrade their price target in NIO. You can't take these people serious. From $15 to $5.50. And the market is now trading at $4.50 now. So my question to you would be, will you pay attention to the chart or will you pay attention to Mizuho? Because if their price target is $5.50 and NIO is currently trading at $4.50, then that means that the stock in NIO should be going up. That they think that the stock is a buy now, at least to $5.50. as the firm grows more cautious on NIO's short-term outlook. Rakesh, I don't know if I pronounced that right, noted NIO recently lowered its deliveries guidance for the March quarter. The analyst believed NIO was anticipating lower delivery as it increases focus on its Li Dao mass market brand, which is set to be revealed in May. As NIO offered incentives to help move current inventory ahead of its 2024 model year launches, gross margins are likely to see some near-term pressure, the Mizuho analyst said. Oh no. Quote, we see a challenging year for EVs paired with increasing competition as NIO focuses on high-end market and has no plans to reduce prices, Rakesh said. Okay, whatever. Now let's get back to the chart though. Like, for real, should we change our price prediction? Because we already have an area down here for a buy zone. This is our location that we suspect Price and NIO is going to try to run to catch buyers. Will they make it? Or will the buyers jump in way before time and price begin to go up? What's going to happen? Let's look at NIO on the weekly chart first. So basically, looking at NIO close on the low of that weekly bar, you may think that we still got lower prices to go through. Okay. NIO on the 2. NIO on the 3. NIO on the 5. And NIO on the monthly. There it is. So yeah, I think we got a little bit lower to go. But seeing how the market currently is showing us that we will be in profit, it would be nothing wrong to come in and take a little bit off. 21.4%. Ain't nothing wrong with that. So that's the name of the game. It's to make money. Just in case it doesn't come all the way down to our buy zone. But given the recent price history, it does look like the market is still weak in NIO. So we're not going to change anything yet. We will change it though once we see buyers hit the market. They haven't showed themselves yet, at least not to me. But you can give me your thoughts. Maybe you think they came in on yesterday's trading day, but it's been a crazy move. Nobody's buying that stock right now. But yeah, go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.